guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add, change, or remove business logo and description on Wix. Here on the WIX dashboard, you want to go to the left side of your screen, and then you want to search for settings right here. Just click on the settings. Then you want to scroll down a bit until you find general here. And then on general, you want to click on business info. And then here on the business info, you can just add or change your logo. So you can just click on this button to upload image or change image, and then choose one of your files to be the logo. And then you can also upload it from your own computer by clicking on this upload media. So for example, I want to make this image my logo. Just click on the specific image, and then you want to click on choose file at the very bottom right of your screen. And there you go. You can just change your image by clicking on this replace image, or if you want to remove it, just click on this remove button. After that, here at the right side of the logo on short description, you can just add, change, or remove your short description of your business. And then just type in a maximum of 150 characters. And then after that, you want to click right here on the save button at the top right of your screen. And there you go. From now, people will see your business logo on their invoice and when chatting on your website platform. It also can improve your website's search result and ranking on Google. So when somebody searches around your business on Google, for example, it will help your website to be on top of the list. And that's how to add, change, or remove a business logo and description on Wix. If you find this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing.